Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10 chapter 2 polynomial exercise 2.2 question 2. In the previous video I have already explained to you question 1 and question 2 here, the first two parts of question 2. Now in this video we'll study the third and the fourth part. So already I have told you two methods I am teaching you. Whichever method is convenient for you, you can follow that method. One is assuming method, another one using the identity. So let's do now the third one. So the third one is, first we will write down assuming method. So in that we will write first the sum of the zeros that is given to us. Sum of the zero that is given to us here is 0, and the product of the 0 that is given to us is root 5. And I told you our formula is sum of the 0 is minus b upon a, and the product of the 0 is c upon a. And then here for us it is given, sum of the product is given to us is 0, and sum of the 0 is given to us 0, the product of the 0 is given to us root 5. So now let's write down, first before that what I told you, you have to see the denominators are same or no. Here in denominator we don't have anything, here also in denominator we don't have anything, so we consider that there is 1. We consider that there is 1. So now the denominator is same. So let's write down the value. So a value will be 1. And then b is given to us 0. And then c is root 5. So now on comparing ax square plus bx plus c. So a is what? We have 1 here. So x square we write as it is, plus b is what? 0. And this x as it is. Then plus c is what? Root 5. So 1 into x square we will get x square. Then 0 into x will give us 0 only, because 0 with 0 you multiply any number we will get 0. So then this won't exist only. Then we have plus root 5. So this is our quadratic polynomial. Because in this question we are finding out the quadratic polynomial, because the question is that find the quadratic polynomial. So we have found the quadratic polynomial from the given sum of the zeros and the product of zeros. So now let's see the second method. Any one method you can use. So here we are using the identity, that is x square minus x alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. This identity, if you remember, you can use this. So now x square minus x, sum of the product is what is given to us? Sum of the product is 0. Then plus sum of the 0 is 0, product of the 0 is root 5. So product of the 0 is root 5. So then x square, now minus x into 0 will become, whole thing will become 0 for us. So then plus, then root 5. So then what we will get? X square, 0 will not count, plus root 5. So this is our answer. So if you see, assuming method also we got the same answer, and using identity method also we got the same answer. Now let's see quickly the fourth part of it. So the fourth part, let us do the assuming method. So assuming method, let us do sum of the zeros, that is 1, and then the Product of the 0 is 1. So we know that sum of the 0 is minus b upon a, and the product of the 0 is c upon a. But here what is given to us? Sum of the 0 is 1, and then the product of the 0 is 1. So now you see here the denominator, always we have to see the denominator in the assuming method. In denominator nothing is there, that means we consider that there is 1. So that means a will be 1, b will be, here 1 we have, a minus is there, minus will write down. Then c will be 1. So now on comparing ax square plus bx plus c, we get the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial will be, in the place of a we write 1 x square plus, in the place of b we write minus 1, this x as it is, then plus, in the place of c we will write 1. So therefore we will get 1 into x square plus into minus 1 into x will be x only, then plus 1. This is our answer. So if you want to use identity method, then p of x equal to k x square minus x sum of the 0, then plus alpha into beta. So this is the identity method if you want to use the identity. X square minus x, sum of the 0 is what is given to us here. Sum of the 0 is 1. So we'll write 1 plus product of the 0 is 1. So product of the 0 also is 1. So now x square minus, here also in nothing we have, so x into 1 we will get x only, but minus is here, so minus x into 1 will be x, then plus 1. So you see, assuming method also same, and then identity method also we got the same answer. So you can use any method that you are comfortable with. So the remaining 5th and the 6th part we'll see in the next video. Thank you. God bless you.